To create this design, I'm going to add a cube. Move this cube along the z-axis, then scale it along the x-axis, then scale it along the y-axis, then apply the scale. Then go to the edit mode, add a center loop cut like this, add one loop cut here, select this face and E to extrude it, select these words and move them along the z-axis. Select this edge and Ctrl B, add bevel on it. Add a 4 segment bevel and give the proper bevel width. Then select this edge and Ctrl B, add bevel on it. Press C to avoid the clipping and add a 2 segment bevel. Then select everything, press M and merge by distance so double words will get merged. Then select this edge and Ctrl B, add bevel on it. Add 4 segment bevel and give the proper bevel width. Select these edges and dissolve them. Then select everything, mesh and symmetrize. Take the symmetry along the x-axis and y-axis. Then select these faces and use the insert operation. Use the knife tool and create cut like this. Then add one loop cut here, add one loop cut here and create cut. Dissolve these edges. These are just reference cuts. Shift A, mesh, add a cube. Move this cube here, scale it down, select these words and move them along the x-axis and try to match these reference cuts like this. Add one loop cut here, select this cube and give the position like this. Then select these two objects and shift Q, use the Boolean operation difference and then apply this Boolean modifier and delete this cutter object. Select this edge loop and Ctrl X to dissolve it. Use the knife tool here and create straight cut and then create cut along the y-axis. Dissolve this edge. Here are double words. Select these words and then S, Y and give the value 0. And then select everything, press M and merge by distance. Then create one cut here along the y-axis and then dissolve this edge. Select these words, merge at last. Dissolve this edge, select this edge and Ctrl B, add bevel on it. Then select these words and press J to connect them. Then use the knife tool here and create cut along the y-axis. Create cut along the z-axis. Select this bottom edge loops and Ctrl X to dissolve them. Add one loop cut here. Select these words and press J to connect them. Then select these edge loops and then Ctrl B, add bevel on them. Add a 2 segment bevel and shape factor should be 1. Then select these words and then press J to connect them and then dissolve these edges. Same thing here also, select these words and press J to connect them and then dissolve these edges. Then use the knife tool and create one cut along the z-axis like this and redirect this cut like this. Add one loop cut here, add one loop cut here. Then create straight cut like this. Add 2 loop cuts and then connect these words. Then create one cut here. Add 2 words and then connect them. And then add one loop cut here. Then add 3 loop cuts like this. Select these words and press J to connect them and then dissolve these edges. Add one loop cut here. Select this bottom edge loop and Ctrl B, add bevel on it. Press C to avoid the clipping. Then use the insert operation. Then select everything, mesh and symmetrize. Take the symmetry along the y-axis and then take the symmetry along the x-axis. Select this bottom faces and delete them. Select this edge loop and face grid fill. Turn on the simple blending. Then add one loop cut here. Then select these faces and then use the insert operation. Use the loop tool circle option and then scale it like this. Ctrl X to dissolve these edges. Use the insert operation. Use the insert operation, then press Alt S to scale them along the normal and then right click for each faces. Select these edge loops and Ctrl B, add bevel on them. Then hit the Ctrl 2 and add the subd modifier and shade smooth it. You can add more details as per your requirement. You can see the form and you can see the topology. So that's it for today. Thanks for watching. If you like this tutorial, then hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. Bye bye, see you next video. Take care.